Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. Thanks for tuning in. This is one of the new toys. It replaced the Ducati Street Fighter. It's a 2022 RSV4 Factory. Absolutely love this bike. To be honest with you, I believe that it handles way better than the Ducati Street Fighter. To me, on my riding style, I just couldn't get it. The gist with the Street Fighter, it wasn't too bad, but I didn't feel 100% confident on it. Things I like about this, it's already got the case protection all over it. A bit cheap on the plastic side of things, but apart from that, it's a pretty swanky little tail piece. I got the SP phone mount. I'll show you the dash. I think it's done about, what has she done, 1400 kilometers. So I've got the quick release cap and also anti-vibration grips for me, because I get numb fingers, especially on my right hand. My brake levers, these two fingers. Put on some adjustable levers, but it's quick shift or everything like that. These come with cruise control and everything, which I think a lot of the bikes should. I'll show you the turn signals here in Australia are integrated into the headlight. I'm not too sure over in the States and that, I don't think they are. You got to get something on them. But yeah, absolutely beautiful bike. We're going for a ride with a few guys today, so stay tuned guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing that, and it's good to be back. Hey guys, this will give you a listen to it on a cold start. One thing I have done, which I'll show you, is I've taken the cables off the butterfly valve so they stay open, and I'll give you a listen to it. It just sounds a lot more throatier, because at up to 3,000 k's or 5,000, here it is, 5,000 kilometers, the butterfly valve's open and gives it this sound, a lot more deeper sound. So we disconnect that. I did that at the dealers, and no engine fault light. I actually took off the whole mechanism that makes it all work. But yeah, it sounds much better. Righto guys, stay tuned, and we're just about to go for a ride soon. I'm going to meet up with the boys and I'll show you all the boys and we'll get into it. This is an absolutely awesome road as well. Very tight. You got to be careful, a little bit bumpy, and sometimes you get a lot of twigs and branches from all these trees. You might have a big branch going across the road, so you just got to be mindful of that. And this corner is always renowned for gravel. See how much stuff is on the road. got to be careful. That's why he went around it. branch, say a twig. So much stuff behind, like so many leaves. There must have been a bit of a storm last night up through here. Or hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. What I meant to say was there's so much debris on the road. Here's like a place renowned for it because of all the trees above. You're getting branches and stuff like that. And what I meant to say in that last section, when I said I run over a twig, it was a branch, probably as thick as your wrist. But right up through here, it winds right around the whole edge of this mountain. It's a terrific road. It's nice and tight, a little bit bumpy in some sections. But anyhow, I hope you're enjoying the video and I'll chat soon. It's a little bit, when you got all these wet leaves on the road, it's wet. When it is wet, it's a bit of a suck because as everyone knows, it's slippery as wet leaves and wet roads. Not a good mixture. But the bike sounds heaps better without the butterfly valve, guys. It's definitely worth doing. It makes, if you don't want to spend the money on the exhaust. Hate to go over that too quick. You didn't end up airborne, I'd say. Little sections of road that, as I was saying, it just goes and goes these bends. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. As I was saying earlier, this bike truly, it handles like it's on railway tracks. Front end on this is so stable. Probably one of the nicest bikes I've ever ridden in handling. And the sound on for a standard exhaust, all motorbikes should sound like that, I reckon. So this video is only going to be a short video. It's only just getting back into it, guys. It's I'm going to get the camera angle up a little bit. There's parts of the video that the voice never worked out, but I'll post some of that sort of stuff in the next video. But anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, ride safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Bit of fun.